And then I'm going to have one of my friends dress up as the Grim Reaper and stand over my coffin. Are you recording this?
No.
Yes, you are. I can see it.
No. No, you can't.
You just turned off the sound.
I did.
Yeah.
Shit. Dog. Got it. Yep. Damn it.
I can see it, Allie.
Shut up.
It's dark in here.
You just